trespassing?
I mean, I don't think we could.
Hello, order number 100.
Alright.
How do I open it?
Oh, I'm making myself some noodles.
You're not.
I am.
the noodle. Why is this slippery on the floor?
Because noodles are made in oil.
I found some balls.
What are these?
What are they?
Oh, dumplings.
Dumplings! Listen, I'm not fucking with.
Are we guys
Madre?
the Xi'an famous fruit?
Madre?
Yeah.
Don't you dare turn those fryers on. I'm not fucking liability.
I don't think it is.
No.
Hey, I worked in the food industry.
I did?
Yeah.
I'll thank God. Who am I watching for? Anyone. Really? Anyone.
I'm gonna flashlight myself because this light is not enough.
Why did they lock it?
Because they don't give a shit.
Are we gonna get in trouble?
I mean, they should have locked it, so no.
Why is the floor so slippery?
I also do feel like this is the general light that this place usually has, so no one's gonna look at us.
Wait a second, it feels hot in here.
It's not.
Okay. What am I watching for again? People?
Any people.
What's the code word?
Comadre. Yeah, but don't boy who cried wolves it.
Are you turning on a boiler?
Yeah, I'm turning on all the fryers.
Wait, don't! That shit is fucking scary.
Just one fryer? It'll be fine.
You worked here before?
I've worked in the food industry. I haven't worked in Xi'an famous food, but that's
Alright, that's a very specific place, but I guess maybe.
This'll work.
Madre, please don't take advantage of me. I trust you.
I want to find the noodles. Why? Because that's what I want.
Why?
I'm gonna make myself some lamb noodles.
Hold the fuck up. Why is it so slippery?
Because it's oil. Oil's on the floor.
On my new shoes!
Bitch, I'm in Gucci shoes.
Alright, you win. You win.
We'll survive. Why do they not lock this place up?
I don't want to get. Listen, I don't want to get in trouble.
You're not gonna get in trouble.
Alright.
Oh, that's heating up.
It's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes.
I need to find where to keep the noodles.
Should I turn the lights off?
Yeah, if you can, that would be amazing. Oh, that is on.
These are all kind of lights off.
Motherfucker. I'm in the fucking end zone right now. Why is it's dead ass so slippery on these floors?
Audrey, I don't want to do this.
You'll survive.
You're gonna get mad at us.
Ooh.
The light people.
A light flurry about
It's
us?
so greasy over here.
Oh, I know.
I don't want to touch that shit.
Don't.
Okay. Where are all the people? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm frying things.
It's not hot enough.
It will be.
I'll stand outside.
Don't do that.
Why?
Don't stand outside.
It's cooler out there than it is.
None of that.
Oh my god.
What was that? Was that you?
No.
Oh, it wasn't me. Well, then too much.
You're too much.
I'm stealing these dumplings.